Supply chain strategy. Remember that only a successful strategic alliance results in a win-win for supply chain partners. Effective partnerships are a combination of shared risks, resources, rewards, vision, and values. Without each of these elements, strategic alliances are often unbalanced and unaligned. There are 7 factors that need to be carefully researched and considered when forming a supply chain strategy. Does the potential partner add value to your firm's existing products? If partnership with the company may lead to increased access to new markets, will an alliance with this firm improve your operations by lowering costs and cycle times? Does the potential partner have internal expertise to facilitate the transition between new and old technologies? Will its strategy align with your organization's? Is the company willing to share its insights and key learning with your company? And is the potential partner willing to share administrative costs for shared activities? Number of supply chain strategy. It is based on a company having more than one supply chain, depending upon the number and types of products that are passing along the chain and other variables. For example, for a product with a complex bill of material, a manufacturer may be bringing in materials from many suppliers. Suppliers might range from small specialized firms to raw materials giants. Some of them might be key accounts, and others may be occasional buyers. The finished products may be sold through several different channels, such as e-commerce, printed catalogs, and retail. So, these variables may combine in different ways, and each suggesting its own type of supply chain strategy. In such a scenario, the product can be either functional or innovative. What are functional and innovative products? If one classifies products on the basis of their demand patterns, they fall into one of 2 categories. Products which are likely to have more stable demand patterns, less forecast error, and long life cycles are called functional products. On the other hand, innovative products are fashion-oriented products, and they give customers additional reasons to buy. They have a short life cycle, high profit margins, and volatile demands. Functional versus innovative products. Below are the 5 characteristics important to supply chain management, on which we would expect functional and innovative products to differ. Product life cycle is generally longer for functional products than for innovative products. Contribution margin is generally lower for functional products than for innovative products. Sales forecast error is generally higher for innovative products than for functional products. Product markdowns are generally more common for innovative products than for functional products. And observed stockout rates are generally higher for innovative products than for functional products. Here are the examples of some functional and innovative products. Toothpaste is functional. A lawnmower is functional. A new movie is innovative. A new cell phone model is innovative. Designer clothing is innovative. And printed paper is functional. Supply chains for functional products. Appropriate supply chain for functional products should emphasize on the following performance indicators: minimal inventory with high inventory turns, short lead time, suppliers chosen for cost and quality, and product design that strives for maximum performance and minimal cost. Supply chains for innovative products. The supply chain for innovative products should emphasize on the following performance indicators: excess buffer capacity and safety stock of parts or finished items, aggressive reduction of lead times, suppliers chosen for speed, flexibility, and quality, and modular design that postpones differentiation as long as possible. Devising the ideal supply chain strategy. For companies to be sure that they are taking the right approach, they first must determine whether their products are functional or innovative. Most managers already have a sense of which products have predictable and which have unpredictable demand. The unpredictable products are the ones that generate all the supply headaches. Examine strategic importance versus difficulty to determine product categories. This is the final step that we will discuss to build the foundation of the collaborative partnership. There are 4 basic categories of goods: commodity materials, bottleneck materials, leverageable materials, and direct or core competency materials. The below exhibit shows strategic importance versus supply chain difficulty, and it is used to determine which suppliers are most appropriate for each of the 4 types of goods. Commodity materials. They require suppliers whose priority is cost reduction, and they are best purchased at arm's length. They have low strategic importance and low supply chain difficulty. Bottleneck materials. Efforts must be made to ensure that the need for these items is fulfilled. So, they have high supply chain difficulty, but low strategic importance. Leverageable materials. They call for collaboration to maximize both cost savings and reliability, such as bulk purchasing by multiple members. So they have high strategic importance, but low supply chain difficulty levels. And direct or core competency materials. They require strategic partnerships for longer periods of time to ensure availability and quality. So they have both high strategic importance and high supply chain difficulty levels. Strategic decisions and prioritization options. After developing business, organizational, and supply chain strategies, the firm or the trading partners collectively need to support the broad strategies. So, strategic decisions are made, which are concerned with all firms in the chain. We'll see how strategic decisions are made in regard to customers and markets, technology, key processes, and sourcing. Customer and market decisions. A firm with multiple product lines needs to conduct a careful market assessment and match multiple supply chains to the strategy that is right for each market. Technology decisions. Since technology has extended supply chain visibility across multiple tiers, it always deserves serious consideration as an aid to achieving strategic objectives. Key process decisions. When planning improvement initiatives, select the processes that are central to the supply chain strategy, measure and benchmark them, and focus your attention on one process or a small manageable number of processes. Sourcing decisions. Goods and services can be acquired by purchasing a firm that delivers them by an arm's-length transaction, or by outsourcing non-core activities to supply chain partners. Supply chains for functional products. Appropriate supply chain for functional products should emphasize on the following performance indicators: minimal inventory with high inventory turns, short lead time, suppliers chosen for cost and quality, and product design that strives for maximum performance and minimal cost.